Supplements for building muscles. If you were to walk into your local health and nutrition store looking for supplements that build muscle, you'll probably find yourself confused and amazed at just how many products there are to choose from. With so many supplements available, it can be a little on the tricky side to decide which ones will help you with your goals. There are a lot of supplements out there to help you build muscle, although some may not be ideal for your goals. The first thing to keep in mind is the fact that you don't always need muscle-building supplements to build muscle, although it will help you speed up the process. These types of supplements can help you increase muscular development, providing you work out. They can aid you in both muscle growth and the recovery of your muscles. Among the many products available, the most popular are protein, creatine, and multivitamins. Protein is a preferred supplement among bodybuilders and those who exercise. It contains many amino acids which help you to build muscle. No matter what type of diet you are on or supplement you select, you should always pick one that contains a lot of protein. The ideal way to take protein is 2 grams per pound of body weight. You can get protein in pill form, powder, or even bars. When you select your protein supplement, you should also make sure that the supplement contains whey, soy, and eggs. Whey protein is the ideal supplement, as it contains everything you need to start building muscle. Creatine is another beneficial supplement, as it will help you increase your muscle mass and improve the recovery time for your muscles. Creatine also helps you to increase your muscle pumps as well, allowing you to do more repetitions with more weight. Normally, you will need to go through a loading period of creatine, which is usually a week. Once you have loaded it, you should use it in cycles, a few weeks using it, and a few weeks off. To get the most from creatine, you should always follow the instructions the manufacturer has provided on the label. Microvitamins are another great supplement, as they work great for those who aren't getting enough minerals and vitamins with their normal diet. Although you may have the best of intentions, a busy or hectic schedule can make it very hard to get a healthy meal. If you use vitamin supplements in your diet, you can get the vitamins and minerals your body needs. If you are looking to build muscle, you should always take the proper supplements, and use protein bars and shakes if you aren't able to eat a healthy meal. Building muscle is something we would all like to do. Even though it requires a lot of exercise and commitment on your behalf, you should also have the necessary supplements as well. If you use the right supplements, you'll notice muscle growth in a matter of weeks. Supplements will help you to build muscle, by speeding up the process. There are a lot of brands and manufacturers to choose from, including Weider and Muscle Tech. You can find these supplements locally or online, giving you plenty of great deals to take advantage of. If you exercise and are looking to add more muscle mass to your body, you should give muscle-building supplements a try. They work extremely well, they taste great, and they will greatly assist you in your quest to build muscle and live a healthier life.